Welcome students, I am your social science educator Vinita Gaur. Today I am back with yet another video of social studies. In this video we will learn about chapter 7 Saudi Arabia, the land of sandy deserts and oases. In this video we will basically focus on location and extent, land features and climate of Saudi Arabia. Location and extent. Saudi Arabia lies in Southwest Asia. So Saudi Arabia is a country which lies in the southwestern part of Asia. This desert country is located in Arabian Peninsula. As you all know, peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides. So, Saudi Arabia is located in Arabian Peninsula. The Arabian Peninsula is surrounded by Red Sea on the west, Arabian Sea on the south, and Persian Gulf on the east. All the countries of Western Asia which are located close to Europe are called Middle East countries. Saudi Arabia is also a Middle East country. It is the 14th largest country in the world. It shares borders with Jordan and Iraq in the north, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, United Arab Emirates in the east, Oman and Yemen in the south, and it is surrounded by Red Sea in the west and Persian Gulf in the east. Land features. Most of the land is covered by desert. As I told you, Saudi Arabia is a desert country and most of the land is covered by desert. Sand dunes are very common over here. You know what are sand dunes? Sand dunes are the small hills of sand. Okay. And these are the small hills of sand which keep shifting due to the wind. Okay. When wind blows at great speed, it blows away the sand particles, and when its speed reduces, then it deposits the sand particles. As a result, these hills of sands are formed and they keep shifting. The western coastal region is humid and has mountain range called Sharawat Mountain. Okay, so western coastal region has a mountain range called Sarawat Mountains, and beyond this mountain range, if you go beyond this mountain range, there is a plateau of Nazad. The eastern part is rocky and sandy lowlands. The Rubal Khali region in the southern part is one of the largest continuous deserts in the world. Okay. Now, the northern part has An-Nafat and Ad-Dahana desert. See, in the southern part of Saudi Arabia also there is a desert, and in the northern part also there are Al-Nafat and Al-Dahana desert. Ha'il and Al-Hasa are the two major oases of Saudi Arabia. What is an oasis? Oasis is an area in desert where water is found. Okay, a place in desert where water is found. So these are the two major oases, Ha'il and Al-Hasa, found in Saudi Arabia. There are no rivers or permanent water bodies here. The eastern part of the country has wadis or valleys, which are dried river beds that form temporary streams when it rains. When it rains, so in these dry river beds, small streams are formed. Jabal Sauda is the highest mountain peak. Climate. The climate is very hot and dry. The day temperature reaches up to 50 degrees Celsius. So it is extremely hot during the day. Here in Saudi Arabia, the temperature rises up to 50 degrees Celsius. But nights are pleasant. Why? Because sand, as you know, it heats up quickly and also cools down very fast. So during the night time, the sand cools, and as a result, the temperature is not much, so nights are pleasant. In winters, the days are warm, but nights are very cold. Dust storms are very common over here. The coastal areas have mild climate. Abha, a hill station, is cool. So here there is a hill station also, Abha, which is cool.